Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a video as your profile picture on TikTok. So on TikTok, you have the option to have two profile pictures. One of them are just a normal picture, and the second one can be a video profile picture. So if you want that, just watch this video all the way to the end. So first things first, head over to your TikTok app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to be brought to your profile page. Here, you'll want to click on Edit Profile, which is right below the following, follower, and likes option. But as you can see, I'm talking about the picture that's at the top right now. It's completely still, but if you click on Edit Profile, you'll be brought to this page here. And right next to Change Photo at the top, there's an option that says Change Video. If you click on Change Video, you'll be able to choose a video to add as your profile picture. I'll choose this one right here. You can choose the duration or the length of the video, but it can only go to a certain amount. Crop the video to whatever section of the video you want it to be. So once you do that, click on Save in the top right corner. And as you can see, it has changed my video profile picture. So people will only see your video profile picture when they head over to your TikTok profile. So let me go back real quick, and as you can see, if I go back, then it has a video as my profile picture. As you can see, it's moving right now and it's a video. But if you comment on any video, it will show you as your picture's profile and not as the video, as you can see here. So if they go to your profile though, they will be able to see the video profile picture. So that's how you change your profile picture to be a video on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.